Friends and friends, welcome to my YouTube channels. Today I am going to solve the simply supported beam problem, deflection of simply supported beam problem. Slope and deflection trick also I will tell how to remember this formula. So, simply supported beam, deflection of beam, what is the formula for the deflection? WL square by 16I slope, and what is the deflection? This is slope and this is the deflection. So deflection WL cube by 48I. Negative sign what indicates na slope and deflections will be the below the beam. So based on this, how to solve the problem? If you remember the formula, you can solve the problem. So see this, what is the given in this problem? So if you write the given data, length they given 6 meter. If convert into mm na 600 mm, because 1 meter is equal to 1000 mm. Simply supported at ends. Both ends are simply supported. Point load carriage. W they given how much? 50 kilonewton. So it will convert into 50 into 10 power 3 Newton. And it's center. So middle point they given the load in the middle point. The moment of inertia given. Okay, I am taking the symbol of the moment of inertia I. What is given? 78 into 10 power 6 mm power 4, this is the unit. And E, Young modulus also the given. Young modulus given 2.1 into 10 power 5 Newton per mm square the given. What they are asking? Deflections at the center of the beam. So deflection at the center beam, YB they are asking. So what is YB? So negative sign is there, but once we will solve the question, negative will not take, because negative sign indicates only deflection is the below the beam. So we'll write here WL cube by 48 EI. So if you know the formula, substitute this value, we'll get the answer directly. 50 into 10 power 3, L is equal to 6000 power 3, L cube, 48 into E given how much? 2.1 into 10 power 5 into I given 78 into 10 power 6. So now we'll calculate. Now before this we'll check the units. So always once you unit you'll check na, anything missing data will be there na, we can find out. So what is 50 here? Newton. What is length here? Mm power 4. Mm power 4. 48 numerical value. Okay. Now 2.81 Newton per mm square into 78 into mm power length 3 no mm power cube, then moment of inertia mm power 4. So we are finding the deflections YB no. So what is there? This mm square will come here, this will go, this will shift there. So mm power 4, so 1 mm will be there. 1 Newton get cancelled, so mm will come. So that means what numerical value we taken, that is the correct. So what numerical value we taken, that is correct. Sometimes what is mistake will be there na, you not converted into, so 6 will be there. Sometimes this different unit they will give Newton, mm square they will not give na, something giga Newton per meter square na, this you not converted, then also will get the mistake. So once unit you calculate mm coming, so deflection is mm. So this value directly will calculate now. So this value will come 13.74 mm. 13.74 mm. This is the deflection. Now then what they are asking? Slope at the support. Slope at the support here. This is the slope theta A. This is the slope theta B. So both will be equal. So anywhere we will get theta A. Suppose formula will be WL square by 16 EI. So here also directly will substitute the formula. So W na 50 into 10 power 3, L square na 6000 square, divide by 16, E given 2.1 into 2.1 into 10 power 5 into moment of inertia 78 into 10 power 6. So if you calculate this also, you will get the direct value. How much we got here? This much radian, no? So 0.0686 radian. We got the radian 0.06868. One more 8 is there. So okay, so 7 you write, no issue. Radian. Now radian is there. Now how to convert into degree, because they are asking slope, no, so degree. So if you multiply this pi by 180, if you multiply the pi by 180, it will becomes degree. Pi by 180, it will, oh, degree means 180 by pi. Suppose radian na pi by 180, degree are converting na 180 into pi. So radian conversions degree 180 by pi. Degree conversions radian pi by 180. So this will come how much? 3.94. 3.94 degree. What is theta A or theta B? So this problem we can solve this way. We can solve this problem in this way. Okay. So next video what we'll do now, how to remember the formula, that trick I will give now. So this way we can solve the questions. Okay. Okay students, thank you. Watch the video, subscribe the channel, share this video maximum to your friends so they can get the benefit for this. Okay. Thank you.